What I wish I knew before calling tech support. Your HP printer spooler not working is easier to fix than you think. Here's how to get things printing again. Fast. First, let's talk about what the printer spooler is. It's the tool in your computer that lines up your print jobs, so your printer knows what to do. If it's not working, your printer can't do its job either. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. On your computer, press the Windows key and type Services. Click on Services, and a new window will open. Step 2. Find Print Spooler on the list. Right-click it, then hit Restart. Wait a moment. This gives the spooler a fresh start. If that doesn't work, right-click Print Spooler again, and choose Stop. Next, open File Explorer and go to SIR Windows System 32-wire spool printers. Delete any files you see in that folder, they're just stuck print jobs. Now, go back to Services and right-click Print Spooler one more time. Click Start. Try printing again. That's it. Your HP printer spooler should now be working. Still having trouble? You might need to update your printer drivers or restart your computer. Remember, don't panic. Most spooler issues are quick fixes. Hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.